It's a chilling thought, but here's the truth. Billions of phone calls are intercepted every year. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality of our hyper-connected world. Hackers exploit a little-known system called SS7, a security flaw hiding in plain sight. Your seemingly private conversations, texts, and even your location are all at risk. How is this possible? Let's dive into the shadowy world of SS7 hacking. SS7 stands for Signaling System Number 7. It's the backbone of global telecommunications. Think of it as the invisible network connecting phone carriers worldwide. When you make a call or send a text, SS7 is working behind the scenes. It routes your calls, connects you to other networks, and even handles billing information. SS7 was designed in a different era before cybersecurity was a major concern. Unfortunately, this aging system has a critical flaw. It trusts all messages it receives. This trust makes SS7 a prime target for hackers. Hackers exploit SS7 vulnerabilities to intercept your calls and messages, making your private conversations anything but private. They don't need physical access to your phone, they just need to tap into the SS7 network, which is the backbone of global telecommunications. Once inside, they can listen in on your conversations in real time, eavesdropping on sensitive information. They can also record your calls, read your text messages, and even track your location, turning your phone into a surveillance device. How do they gain access? One way is by setting up fake cell towers that trick your phone into connecting, making it easy to intercept data. Another is by bribing or hacking into telecom companies that have access to the SS7 network, exploiting their vulnerabilities to gain unauthorized entry. Section 4. Inside the network. Understanding SS7 Mechanics. To grasp the severity of SS7 vulnerabilities, it's essential to understand how this system operates within the vast network of telecom providers. SS7, or Signaling System Number 7, is a set of protocols used to manage the setup and teardown of telephone calls, as well as other services like SMS and number translation. When you make a call, your phone connects to the nearest cell tower, which then sends signals through the SS7 network. This network is responsible for routing the call to its destination. These signals carry information about the call, including your number, the recipient's number, and the content of your conversation. This data is crucial for ensuring that your call reaches the correct recipient without any issues. The SS7 network relies on trust between telecom providers. Each provider assumes that the other has secure and reliable systems in place. However, this trust is often misplaced, as the system was designed in an era when security was not a primary concern. Hackers can exploit weaknesses in security protocols to gain unauthorized access, potentially intercepting calls and messages, or even redirecting them to different numbers. Section 5 SS7 Attacks in Action, Real-World Examples. SS7 attacks are not theoretical, they are happening right now. In 2014, hackers used SS7 vulnerabilities to steal money from bank accounts. They intercepted the victim's two-factor authentication codes, which were sent via SMS. In 2016, researchers demonstrated how SS7 could be used to track the location of a US congressman in real time. These examples highlight the very real dangers of SS7 vulnerabilities. Section 6. Staying safe in an SS7 world. The SS7 flaw is a stark reminder that even seemingly secure systems can be compromised. This vulnerability exposes the fragility of our global communication networks. While a complete solution requires a global effort to revamp telecommunications security, there are steps you can take to mitigate the risks. It's crucial to stay informed and proactive. Be aware of the risks. Knowledge is power. Educate yourself about the potential threats and stay updated with the latest security news. By understanding how SS7 hacking works, you're better equipped to protect yourself. Use encrypted messaging apps to safeguard your communications. Apps like WhatsApp and Signal offer end-to-end encryption, making it much harder for hackers to intercept your messages. These apps are designed to keep your conversations private. Be cautious about what you share. Always think twice before sharing personal information. Avoid sharing sensitive information like bank details or passwords over the phone. If you must share such information, use secure methods. The security of our communication systems is paramount in today's digital age. We rely on these systems for almost every aspect of our lives. Let's start a conversation about SS7 vulnerabilities and work towards a safer online experience. Engaging in discussions can lead to better awareness and solutions. Share your thoughts on this critical issue in the comments below. Your input can help others stay informed and vigilant. For more insights into the world of cybersecurity and digital self-defense, check out my book, The Art of Invisibility. It offers practical advice on how to protect your digital footprint.